Hi, welcome to the introduction to Power BI session. So Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool that converts data from various data sources into interactive dashboards and analysis reports. Power BI is available in two versions, desktop version and web version. Desktop version is a free application you can install on your local computer from Microsoft Store. It allows you to connect to, transform, and visualize your data. And web version is known as Power BI Service. It is a cloud-based platform where you can share, collaborate, and access your reports that you have created in Power BI Desktop through Power BI Service to your colleagues, to your friends, to your stakeholders, anywhere. And why Power BI? This is a very important question which arises. So Power BI stands out for several reasons. Ease of use. This is a very important reason. It has intuitive interface and drag and drop functionality, which is missing in other BI tools. So integration is another one. It can be seamlessly integrated with other Microsoft products and various data sources. It is cost effective. It is very cheap, or say very less expensive as compared to Tableau. Scalability, suitable for all, whether it is a small business or large enterprises. It is suitable for both the business models. It has a strong user community and extensive online resources available you can access. So let's dive into Power BI. I will launch Power BI application from here. In a couple of minutes, you will see that this page appears. You see, it is giving you an option to create a blank report. All right, you can access the data from various other sources, but I would like to create a blank report. This is the home page. Click on this blank report. So this is the actual interface of Power BI. Towards left, you can see that it has report view, table view, model view, and tax query view. By default, it is report view, where we are going to build the reports. Means we will be creating visualizations in this view called as report view. So by default, this is the canvas of the report view. We will add data from here into this canvas and draw visuals. In a short while, I'll explain you how. So this is your table view, which is used to have the data in a grid in a tabular view. So this model view is where we are going to create relationship between two data sets. For example, the orders table can be connected with the customer and say product table on the basis of common IDs like product ID and customer ID. So in order to start building a report, I would just like to showcase you what kind of report I would like to build here. For this, what I will do, I have a sample dashboard prepared, which is a sales dashboard. I just want to showcase you what this dashboard is about and how we have to create this dashboard using Power BI. So this is the sample dashboard you will see in a short while. Yes, it's taking some time to load the data. I'll apply changes. It's taking some time to load the data. Just wait. Yes, it is ready now. You can see that this dashboard or this report, you can call it as dashboard or report. Rather, this is not a dashboard actually, but this is a report. Whatever we create in Power BI desktop version is a report. From the reports, we create a dashboard in Power BI service. So I would like to explain you that, make you clarify. So here we have different years. This is a slicer. We have different years, 2019, 20, 21, 22. So altogether, we have 4 years of data. You can clear the data from here. You will see that it will display you the entire information. This is not the filtered information now. We can see total sales, total profit earned after the sales, what was the total cost incurred, number of customers who made the contribution to the sales, and we have different visuals to explain the product category wise sales, product category wise profit, and product category wise total cost. And at the bottom, you see there is another visual which is called the matrix visual, which is explaining you about the product categories, total cost, price, sum of sales, discount, and sum of profit. Everything is coming. Now you can see that how it works. If I select this 2019, so the data will change in not in every visual, rather it will change in all the visuals, not in single visual. So you can see that the total sales changed is with respect to 2019. If I say select this 2021, the sales are different, profit is different, and everything is changing with respect to this 2021 year. Suppose I select the product category as, for example, auto and accessories from this option, say this column chart. I click on it, you will see that other visuals are reflecting and got filtered. So they are displaying the information for this auto and accessories only. And these, your key points are also giving you different informations. These are called KPIs, key performance indexes. So everything is changing with respect to this. Click. For example, if I click again on it, you will see that it is giving you the entire information. There is no filter applied except this slicer. You can clear the slicer from here and you can build this kind of report using Power BI. All right. So you see every another one, they are all the visuals are connected with each other. Suppose I click on this, say, for example, this is home and furniture category, and I want to see what is the sum of sales, what is the total profit earned for this product category as home and furniture. If I click on it, so right now it is giving you the sum of profit for all the categories. But I just want to click on this home and furniture. This time it is reflecting this sum of profit is this much, and here the KPIs are also got changed, and here it is highlighting the product category wise sum is also being highlighted, and here also you will see the total cost is also highlighted for product category as home and furniture. And if you want to just click it on it again, you will see that everything is coming again. So filters are something very unique feature with this Power BI. So I would like to explain you how to create such reports. Just close this sample report, launch Power BI again, as I have already explained you how to do it. I selected the blank report. Power BI offers you various options to get the data. Because I explained to you that Power BI can be used to connect with various data sources, like you can connect with SQL, you can connect with Excel, you can connect with PDF, web, Sybase, SharePoint, and there are a lot of data connectors. In order to see the entire list of connectors available in Power BI, I will click on this Get Data and select this More option. So a window will appear with all the options. You can see there are more than 100 options available under these categories, and all these are the connectors to connect the data from various sources. So most popular ones are, for example, Excel, folder, PDF, TXT, SCSV, SQL Server, Access Database, and lot more, and SharePoint as well. So I would like to explain you that this time I'm going to connect a folder which is on desktop having 4 different files containing sales data for the year 2019, 20, 21, and 22. I'll click on this folder, click on connect option, and it will ask me the location of the folder where I have stored my files in Excel format. I'll click on this browse option, go to this desktop, select this orders folder, click on OK and OK again. This time it will show you that in a particular folder that I've selected named orders on the desktop itself, and it contains 4 different files. You can see the list of files, the name of files are available, and every file is an Excel file. The date of access, date modified, created, attributes, folder path is being visible. You need to do what? I'll simply click on combine and transform data. If I click on combine and transform data, what will happen? It will combine the data and you will be able to see the data here in Power Query. So Power Query is a tool which will combine the data for you. There were 4 different files. Now you will see that this is another interface called Power Query, and you can see it from here as well. You can see that it has combined the data from 4 different sources. So there were 4 different files. Now we have a single file. All the files have been joined. All those files have been combined now. So this data contains all the 4 files. What you can do is here you have different options. This is a Power BI tool, which is a common tool between Power BI and Excel. You can transform the data. You can choose column. You can remove column, keep rows, remove rows. You can sort the data. You can split a particular column. You can do aggregating, aggregate values. For example, aggregate functions like group by. You can replace some values. You can use append queries and merge queries. You can connect with various other data sources. You can transform the data. You can change the formats like lowercase, uppercase, capitalize. You can extract certain words, say you want to extract from first characters, last characters, specific range, whatever you wish. You can perform numerical operation. You can perform date and time functions as well. I will be explaining in further sessions of Power BI. So whatever steps you'll be performing here, it will be converting, it will be applying the steps here. For example, I select this order priority and I go to this format and click on uppercase. You will notice that this entire column is having uppercase. So whatever step you apply will be shown here, will be recorded here. So these are the applied steps. So it is recording all the steps. These are the data types you can see. ABC is a data type. This is a date type format. If a number, for example, we have to deal with sales amount. This sales amount is a decimal value. So this is a quantity. Again, it is numbers. It's a whole number. We have discount. We have price. We have shipping cost. We have total cost. We have profit, order priority, and months. So everything is coming here, available here. I will just, after transforming my data, if my data is clean, I'll simply click on home and go to close and apply, and close and apply will take me back to Power BI, and my data will be loaded here in Power BI. In this data pane, you will be able to see the data here. So just wait for a couple of seconds. The data will be loaded in a data pane. So it is available here. Now you can see the orders table is available. Click on this. You will see every field in the orders table is available here. The summation is explaining you that this field is a numeric type, and customer ID where there is no summation symbol, it is a text type. This is a date type. So all these fields are available. This is the visualization pane. I'll be using this pane to create different visuals on this canvas. This is my blank canvas right now. I'll be using this visualization pane. I'll drag some of the visuals from here to here. I'll be dropping some visuals from here. So what you can do is, and let's start doing it. First of all, I'll click in a blank area of the canvas. This is my visualizations options. There are 2 options, build visual and another is format page. I'll click on format page. I'll go to canvas background. I would like to change the background from white to say gray, and bits it's not coming because transparency is 100%. I will reduce the transparency to 0. So the color of the background of the canvas has been changed. Now I will start building the visuals. In order to build the visual, what I need to do is I will simply do what? I'll be starting with this card visual. So this is a very important visual to explain the KPIs. This is the key performance indexes can be explained or showcased by using card visual. I'll click on it. So this visual is available here, but no data is coming because I have not put anything here in the fields area. What you can do is, for example, I select for example, total cost. So if I click on total cost, it is displaying you sum of total cost. So entire total cost for all the records is coming here. I'll just change the size. What you can do with this visual is you click on the visual, you go to this format your visual option. You will see that it's coming with, and again coming with two options. First is visual, another is general. So general is common for all the visuals. So I'll click on visual option. So there are two properties coming. First is call out value and category label. So call out value, this is called known as call out as well. So this value 244.16 million is a value. Suppose you don't want to show this into millions, you want to show in thousands, you can display that. You need to increase the size because number is quite big. You want to change it to say billions, you can change that too. You can show it in none, so it will display the numbers. I would like to explain in millions, so I'll resize it, and you can see that you can change the color of the layout. Call out value can be changed. You can make it bold as well. You can change the color of this visual. Say this is the color of the visual I've changed. And what you can do is, I would not like to do much. I would like to work with the category label. So category label is on right now and it's giving black. I'll just make it bold. It's giving you sum of total cost. And this is all I want to do with it. I'll click on general now. There is an effects option. Click on background. You can change the background of this visual also. Let me change the background to this one. No, it's not working fine. So let me change it to say this one. Yeah, this one is coming quite nice. You can change it to some other one. Okay. Let me select this one. No. So I'll go with this one. Okay, let it be. All right, so we have created a visual. So I'll click on this again. I'll go to this format your visual. This is general option. You can work with effects option. We have different visual borders can be set. Click on visual border and click on this visual border and make it rounded corners. Say I'll make the rounded corner. This is how you can round your corners. The corners of the visual got rounded now. This is how you can beautify your visual work on this. Suppose I want to give the title to this. That's total cost. So what I'll do, I'll click on it. I'll click here. I'll go to general, tab here and click on title here. Make it on. So write the title total cost. So total cost is the name of the title. I'll change this horizontal alignment. I'll make it bold, increase the size. And then what you can do is, yeah, sum of total cost is also coming. It's giving you some, there is no problem. Let it be. I don't want to change further. If you wish to change, you can do that. So this is all about a visual. What you can do is I will create another visual, another card visual for this. If you select this visual and select card visual, it will do what? Another visual has not been created. So you need to click outside and click on the visual. So another visual has been created. Now what you will do, I will simply drag sales into fields. I'll create one more visual and I'll put say, let me put I'll put profit here and I'll align it here as well. And I'll take say price also. Let me take the total number of customers in order to get the customers because I'm not having any access to the customer table. I'll go to get data because my customer table is stored in an Excel file, which is also there on the desktop. I'll select this and I'll get the data from customer data and open, and you will be able to see the customer table here as well. So I'll click on this customer data, click on load. So you will see that data has been made available here. And you will see if you click on this model view, you will see that because these two, okay, it's not coming correctly. What I'll do, I'll go to, because you can see that the name of the columns are not coming properly. I'll go to transform data. I'll select this customer table because it's giving you column 1, column 2, column 3. Rather, the headings are coming in the first row. I'll do what? I'll go to this home tab. Under home tab, we have an option called use first row as header. So this first row will be promoted as a header. Now you can close and apply. Now data will be transported back to customers and automatically the relationship has been established. You can notice it very well that Power BI is a powerful tool which will do the data modeling itself and depending upon the common column. So I'll do what? I'll click on visualization again. Okay. And now I want to create another data card visual. And now I want to see how many total customers are there. So I'll do what? I'll drag customer names into this field. It's giving you the names. I don't want the names. I want to see the total count of the customers. I'll click on this drop down, click on this count option. It's giving me that it's having 51.29 thousand customers. So this is the number of customers we can see. Now I want to format each visual with respect to this one. So the formatting has to be same for all these card visuals. What I will do, I'll click on this, go to home tab. This is a format painter, which is available in Excel and Power BI. Also, it's available. Click on this Power Painter, select this visual, click on again, select it again, click it again, and select this also. So you see it is doing what? It has created different visuals. But now you can see the difference that it's giving you the title, but none of the three data cards that you have created are having title. I'll click on it. I'll go to this format your visual, go to this general option, go to this title, write the title here. This is the total sales. So I'll press enter and I'll click on it. This is the profit. So this is total profit. I'll click on this. It will display you what? Total customers. So this is how we have created these visuals. All right. So this is how your first report will look like. So this is just a beginning we have done. I'll just change their positions so that we have enough space for other visuals to place in the left side. Okay, what I'm going to do is now I'll go to this visualization pane again, activate it, and you will see that I would like to create a pie chart. So this is my pie chart. I'll drop my pie chart here, place set its position. Suppose I want to keep the height and width of my visual like this. You can change the background. You can click on this. You can change the various appearance can be changed. So depending, because right now there is no data. First of all, you need to add the data to start the data formatting. It's giving you add data to your visual to start formatting. I will not be able to format it until and unless I put some data into this visual. So I'll click on this data, format visual. So what I'll do is, because I want to see, what do you want to see? I want to see the product category wise, and I want to see total sales, total sales. So it's giving me what? This is giving me product category wise total sales is coming in terms of pie chart. Okay. Now I'll do what? I'll click. If you click on this any other chart, you will see that this chart has been replaced. So I'll undo it and now click outside to invoke another chart. So this time I'm having one column chart here. I'll make it of appropriate size, set the size and all. And now I want to see the product category wise profit or say sales. What I'll do, soil sales I have taken, I'll take profit. So this is the profit of product category wise. Now I'll click outside and take one more visual. So this time I'll take donut chart. So I'll take this donut chart, or you can take another chart as well. I would like to take the donut chart here. So this is my donut chart here. What I'll do, I'll take, for example, I want to see the product category and the profit. You will see that it's giving, sorry, profit has already been taken. So I'll take, say, sales is taken, sales have been taken, profit has been taken. Let me take total sales. So this is giving me the total sales. Now, because I want to use a slicer also. We can filter the data on the basis of some years. For this, I need to invoke the slicer visual, which is available here. You can see this is the slicer visual. Click on it. The slicer visual is available here. So drop the fields here. I would like to slice the data or the filter the data on the basis of order date. So this order date is coming, but now you can see that you can stay in the order date and your visuals are changing. So for example, this is a different style of visual. I'll click on it and go to slicer setting. This slicer setting is a between option. So this is between two dates. If you want to see the data, you can do that. But I would like to create say, for example, this vertical list. I would like to create a vertical list. But right now you can see that vertical list is giving you all the dates. I don't want to see all the dates. Rather, I want to see the years only. So I'll go to this option and select this date hierarchy and remove this day, remove this, say, month, and keep years and quarter. If you click on this, you will see different quarters are visible. If you just uncheck it, you see the entire data is coming. So right now, this is a visual. I'll simply resize it, place it here above and near to this KPIs that we have built. I'll make its position. I'll make changes into its position. Okay. This is how I have placed my slicer. Let me resize this visual because it's going beyond the boundary. So there are the guidelines which will guide you that what is the size, how you can guide it. What you can do is I'll click on this insert, sorry, not insert. I'll go to this visualization. This time I'll take another visual known as this matrix. So you can create the data also. You can have a matrix data. For example, I would like to give the product category. I would like to see that what all product categories of the products are available. I would like to see their total cost. I would like to see their total sales. I would like to see their, say, discount and what is the profit. So this is how I want to see this data. So this is how I'm able to see it. I'll click on each visual, format it from here, go to this, say, general option, go to this effects, change the visual colors to gray. And no, gray is not working. Let me do it something like this. Click on this, make this change to this one. Say, click on this and say this one. But this one is very heavy. The darker side, click on this. Say. So now I'm having same colors. I'll go to this and I'll change the color to this one also. This is not giving me the appropriate option. Okay, let's do it. So this is how we have created a dashboard, and or say you can call it as a report. We can publish this report in the Power BI service also. Clicking on this Power BI service will activate the Power BI service, that the web option, and you can publish it there. So that will we'll be considering it in the next further sessions. So this is how you can build the report. Now just see, if I say click on this clear, this is the clear selection. If I clear it, you will see that it's giving you 244.16 million is the total cost. Or say this is 246.73 million is the total sales. Or 2.57 million is the total profit. If I click on 2020, so total profit earned for the 2020 was 0.68 million. If I select this 2021, you see that it's 0.75 million in 2021. If I select this 2022, you will see that the profit was changed. So profit is changing with respect to the years. What I'll do, I would like to see that what is happening with the profit with respect to years. So I'll clear the visual from here. What I'll do, I'll create another visual to display, for example, the line chart. I'll create one line chart to see what is happening with the years. For example, I take the year and I'll take the profit. Yes, so profit. This is what is happening. The profit increased till 2020, 21, but it's coming down to 2022. The profit is declining. You can see it yourself that what is happening with the profit. The profit is coming down. 2021, it was very linear profit. Profit was increasing from 2019 to 20, it increased. So in 2020, this was the profit was 561,794, and then it became 678,097. Then it again rose to 745, but it dipped. It came down to this, say, 586,565, 568. Sorry. So this is how you can see the sum of profit by year. This is how you can build your dashboard and work with Power BI. So this is the power of Power BI. You can see that it's giving you different information. And if you click on, say, for example, I select this electronics. If I select this electronics, the entire that dashboard will be filtered on the basis of product for electronics only. If I click on electronics, so now the data is coming from electronics only. It does not contain any profit. The profit is for electronics category only. So it's not the combined profit of say fashion, home and furniture, and auto and accessories. It's coming from electronics only. And that too, if you click on 2020, so this is the profit is 0.03 million for electronics only. So if you click on electronics again, so this time it will give you the profit for all the categories. This is not a selective category now, but now the only one filter has been applied, which is 2020. You can clear the filter from here. You can work with filters option from here. You can apply the visual label filter, page label filter, and you can filter on all pages. It's we will be discussing it some other time. So this is how we can build a report in Power BI. So let's conclude the session. I hope you have enjoyed it. Keep learning. Thank you.